That was it, peeps. 14 hours at these rooms and now continuing 100k to Krakow. What? This is the wrong way. Yeah, so can't believe I will be in Krakow tonight and see what that town has to offer. So yeah, feeling great. Just let's see what this day brings. Some small peeps over here. And yeah, this is so weird, just cycling, just continuing, just moving. Crazy thing. Here in the unknown Poland, SOLEC-ZDRÓJ. Nice pedestrian street here in Solek. Not bad at all. Feeling super wasted. There was a horrible highway, so now at least I'm in the supermarket. It's heaven after being on a crazy road. Dude, that was horrible. Finally on a cycling path, peeps. Finally, peeps, can you hear that? Oh my gosh. By the river. Finally, man. Thank you, God. Cycling by the Vistula. That was horrible, man. That highway. So now, finally some time to relax, peeps. Beautiful view. Even though I have some strong headwinds. Krakow is the goal for today, peeps. Just doing this. Just pedaling like a madman. Super nice. Finally what I've been longing for, peeps. Just a straight road by the river. For some real relaxation. Not like the horrible highway this morning. Finally, I've cycled 1,500 kilometers just for this. I'm gonna tell you something. It's kinda worth it. It's kinda worth it. Hope it continues this way. All the way to the Black Sea. Close to Istanbul. 90k! Getting close to Krakow. Amazing path. 10k to go. Lots of cyclists here. Chilling, dzień dobry. Bringing energy to the masses with coal here in Poland. Krakow's power plant. Pretty dope. Cycling now in Krakow. Getting into the city after that beautiful ride by the Vistula. That's some beautiful peeps in Krakow. Pretty great, this place. Back to the Polish People's Republic. Getting there soon to the town square. Typical cello player. Peeps in a restaurant. On the crowds. Back in a touristic place. Here it is. Tons and tons of crowds and peeps. Finally arrived. After 100k and that peep. Watch out, peep. This guy is crazy. Just following me like a dog. What the f? Well, that was fun. That peep following me, the small kid. So this was Krakow. Heading out now to the hotel. Pretty cool tower. Peeps posing. Thank you for watching and until next one. Follow the pedal and parish. Totally worth it.